speakers, sponsors, and delegates present over here. I am Kenisha Shah, President of the Mission Brain India West Zone Chapter and Regional Educational Chair for Asia Region for Mission Brain Organization.
So Mission Brain is a global non-profit organization which is dedicated to provide free neuroscience expertise and resources to the underserved regions of the world. It was co-founded by Dr. Alfredo Quinones Hinojosa, who is famously known as Dr. Q, who is currently the Chair of Neurosurgery and the Dean of Research at the Mayo Clinic, Florida, and Dr. Michael Lawton, the Chair of Neurosurgery at Barrow Neurosurgical Institute. Our two-day medical symposium aims to provide attendees with a comprehensive overview of various medical specialties, including surgery, emergency medicine, orthopedics, and radiology. This event offers a unique opportunity to explore and gain exposure to these diverse fields of medicine. Currently, there are over 65 Mission Brain chapters throughout the world. Kenisha and I co-founded this chapter in March 2022.
Hello everyone, I am Neil Shah, Vice President of the Mission Brain India West Zone Chapter. During our tenure, our main focus is to actively engage with the community, providing education and necessary treatments. Additionally, we aim to empower aspiring doctors to give back to the community by utilizing their skills effectively. We believe in the power of collective efforts to bring about a meaningful change.
We have the privilege of welcoming Dr. Jaykumar Mehta, a renowned interventional and transplant pulmonologist from Epic Hospital, Ahmedabad.
Next, Dr. Tushar Soni, Head of Department at NHL MMC and SPB Hospital, Ahmedabad, joins us.
Arth Shah, a renowned plastic surgeon from Rijua Aesthetica Clinic, known for his expertise and popularity on YouTube.
We want you to illuminate the ceremonial lamp symbolizing the auspicious commencement of our symposium.
Each day, our lungs breathe approximately 7,500 to 10,000 liters of air. આપણે એક સામાન્ય સમજણ હોય કે બ્રોન્કોસ્કોપીનો ઉપયોગ ફોરેન બોડી એક્સટ્રેક્શન માટે. લેટ્સ સી અ tooth removal. This was a difficult intubation, and what you are seeing here is a tooth which is getting obstructed in the right bronchus intermedius. Patient પાસે આપણા જેટલું knowledge ના હોય, so we need to ensure that we have compassion in us, patient-centric approach and services, and ethical practice. So this is where we stand apart and deliver for the best of our patients. Thank you very much for your patient listening. I hope you all enjoy. Thank you so much.
Now, the definition by International Association of the Study of Pain, each word is important because selection of the patient is important. It is solely based on the clinical diagnosis. So it defines as a sudden, usually unilateral, severe, brief. That is the most important. If it is continuous pain, it is not trigeminal. And recurrent episodes, these are the requisite for the diagnosis. Most of my patients whom I have operated, they have a very poor oral hygiene because of they cannot clean the mouth. The 8 to 10% of the patients of the trigeminal neuralgia, they have a tumor in the cerebellopontangeal region, either in form of acoustic, in form of epidermoid, in form of meningioma or whatsoever. Salman Khan has a AVM in the trigeminal area. So he has trigeminal neuralgia. Now what are the treatment options? There are 3 pillars. One is medicine. Usually all the trigeminal neuralgia should be treated first with the medicine. The another category is destructive procedure. I tell him there's a destructive procedure, I will enumerate. And third one is a microvascular decompression. Now you can see the arterial loop is there. I'm separating the nerve from the artery. And now we put a patch between the vessel and the nerve. See, I have made a gap there. and now we put a patch, Teflon patch.
First of all, thank you Suturing Mission India for inviting me as a chief guest along with the dignitaries, Dr. Tushar Soni sir and Dr. Jay. Jay bhai was my senior in Karamsad Medical College. So I am so happy that I am in front of you. So thank you so much Kenisha, Neil, Shlok, Soumya, everyone to inviting me as a chief guest. So there are three type of students. One is genius. Like Jay bhai was with me, he was genius, he was showing so many books and I am not like that. So right, so first kind of student are genius, that is 2 to 5% students are there, so they are genius. Second is happy go lucky. So મોટા ભાગના આપણા એવા હોય અને જે એમાં રેન્કર્સ થઈ અને they always wanted to do the radiology and dermatology or such kind of field. So if your personality is such, you should take it. And third is hard working. So I am a third type of person. So who always wanted to do more, who always wanted to learn more, who always want to explore more, and from day one I wanted to do something અને હું જે વસ્તુ હાથમાં લઉં એ મારે પૂરી કરવી હોય. 10-15 years પહેલાં હું ઇન્સિક્યોર હતો, તો અત્યારે તો ડેફિનેટલી ઇન્સિક્યોરિટી થોડી રહેવાની, because every year 5,000 doctors are coming out. I want to help people. Till now I have reached up to 3.5 crore people and I want to reach up to 50 crore people. So lakhs and millions of people should be benefited from me. That is my motto of life. So I think you all can do better than me, wonderful than me, and I am here to help you out, and ultimately we are helping the society. So what I am doing, if 400 odd students are doing, it will be benefiting to the society.
આ કોઈ ફોર્મલ લેક્ચર નથી, ના કોઈ પ્રેઝન્ટેશન છે. ધીસ ઇઝ જસ્ટ અ ટુ વે કમ્યુનિકેશન. ઓકે, અને આમાં હું કંઈ પણ મેન્શન કરું જઈને લઈ ના લેતા. પૈસા ડૂબે તો પણ મારી જવાબદારી નહીં, પૈસા વધે તો પણ મારી જવાબદારી નહીં. ઓકે, ચલો. એક સ્ટોક માર્કેટ થઈ ગયો, બરાબર, એટલે ઇક્વિટી થઈ ગયું. સેકન્ડ રિયલ એસ્ટેટ. રિયલ એસ્ટેટ 18 વર્ષોમાં કયું ઘર આવશે? 18 વર્ષોમાં ભાડે ઘર મળવું એ પણ હતું, બરાબર. ઓકે, આ થયું. ત્રીજું ક્રિપ્ટોકરન્સી કોણ બોલ્યું ભાઈ? પહેલું મોડ છે બાપ દાદાનું ફેવરેટ. પેટીએમ કોણે લીધેલા છે? સૌથી મોટું પેટીએમ કોણે લીધેલા? પેટીએમ, નાયકા, એલઆઈસી. ભાઈ મારા પોતાના એલઆઈસી માં ડૂબ્યા છે, બરાબર.
Our sincere gratitude extends to our incredible sponsors, the pillars of support who have made this endeavor possible. Cubics Medicare Private Limited as our sponsor, who has played a pivotal role in shaping our journey by providing all the essential supplies for our symposium. Next, we are thrilled to announce Neurogia Healthcare, popularly known as MERO, as our educational partner. In the realm of fashion, we are delighted to have Fabric Solutions Private Limited as our scrubs partner. We extend our heartfelt appreciation to AMO Opportunities, a pioneering organization in clinical training solutions, software.
So X-rays, what used to happen is people used to film an X-ray, get the cassette, run, get it developed, then go and check whether the images come right or not. Digital radiography, what happens is we have a receptor plate which is connected to the computer. So as soon as you take the X-ray, immediately you get the image. In the static ultrasound, people used to wait for hours to get a good image. Now the time has come of real-time ultrasound. You can do a 3D scan, a 4D scan. You can see the picture of babies, how it is smiling. Image in an ultrasound or a CT will not resemble to a real organ image. But you have to train your eyes, develop that eye to see the organs on a given scan. Color Doppler is nothing but an echo. You go to a hill station, you shout, and that voice comes back.
So that will be a little bit more interesting. Yes, you all are here to learn, and just we are here to give you a bonus help to learn more with the help of Marrow application. Should I choose someone random and ask the subject? Anne? I've heard Anne.